Hello, today I'm making bruschetta. It's a classic Italian appetizer with tomatoes, fragrant basil, and garlic. The complete recipe is in the video description below. The quality of the bruschetta depends on the quality of the tomatoes. So pick the best, ripest tomatoes you can find. We start by slicing off the very top of a tomato and laying it flat on a cutting board. Then we dice it into small cubes. Take the cubed tomatoes and salt them. Mix and make sure all are covered in salt. Then let it rest for half an hour, mixing every 10 minutes or so to allow the water to come out of the tomatoes. The goal is to remove as much liquid as possible. Take the drained tomatoes and add the olive oil. Then grate the garlic into the mixture using a very fine grater. Tear apart the basil leaves with your hands and mix everything well. Cut baguette bread into thin slices and toast them on a frying pan or in the oven. Distribute the tomatoes onto the slices and serve them fresh. I promise you, they are very delicious. Let me know which other recipes you'd like to see next, and thanks for watching.